Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to create a group chat or how to make a group chat on TikTok. So you already have the TikTok open on my device, and first thing or the next thing we're gonna do is go into these features or these sections. If you can see on the bottom sections, there is a home, shop, plus here is to uploading something, inbox, and profile. Just go into the inbox section, and then if you can see on the on the left upper corner here, there is a bubbles plus. This is how you start to make a chat. If you want to have a chat with a personal only one, you can choose one, but if you want to make a group chat, you can add more than one account, more than one friends on this chat by clicking these circles. So you already find who will I invite into the chat, and then after that just click the start group chat. After you find it, you can share anything that you want. You also can greet them by sending some message first, and after that you can share a video that you already found here with your friends. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.